That's super cool how they put all these little roads in here, interconnected all these things.
Yeah, these are all like dams, basically.
The roads.
The roads are, yeah. I think that's what they are. They're dikes.
Yeah.
Dike your shit all off. Created a water wonderland.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty wonderful.
It is the bombest. It is. This is like one of my favorite places in Michigan.
I mean, you can't. It's not like you can fucking drive through like a forest and see shit like this.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, you drive through the forest, they're probably out there. But you can't see anything.
Well, you can, but you definitely gotta drive slow. You know, even like you're going down a dirt road, you know, or a 2-track. If you drive this slow, you're gonna see shit. If you're driving 35, you're not gonna see shit. Unless the fucker steps out in front of you. You know? You guys slam on the brakes or whatever, you know.